Hey, what's up, guys? It's Big Marv here. And if you've tuned in the last few days, you've watched me build a sales funnel for my new electronics store, Electrofonix.com. I built it out with ClickFunnels, and then I used MailChimp to set up an automated email that will go out to subscribers with a coupon code for this promotion. So, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go ahead and build out the Facebook campaign to actually draw those customers to me. So I've been running an engagement campaign for a little bit here, building up video views. You can see this one here, my engagement, and I'm at 102,000 reach. So I'm going to retarget these video viewers with my campaign. I'm going to show you guys how we can do that. Alright, so this one's going to be a traffic campaign. The last one was engagement because engagement is a cheaper campaign to run and you can really build up your audience quickly using engagement. So I got some pulled pork, cheddar, and fries. My old lady hooked me up. Mm, delicious. Alright, we're just gonna go with link clicks. Alright, add set name. It's gonna be big. Because it's just gonna be retargeting. I might do a second ad with the new audience. I just want to see how this one's gonna perform first. And then we're gonna do a create custom audience. We're gonna do engagement, video, and then I'm gonna put viewed at least 3 seconds of my video. And then I'm gonna choose my videos with the Big Marv page. I've run a couple advertisements, so I'm gonna run it to all the people that I've run ads to. And you can tell when it's an ad because you can see I normally don't get that many views. Unless I pay for them. And it's gonna take, it says 20 people because it takes a little bit to build that audience. So I'm just gonna hit update. Yeah, and I like 18 to 35. And then placements, I'm only going to put it in the Facebook feed. Oh, fuck. And then I'm going to take out an instant article. I literally just want the Facebook feed. Alright. All mobile devices. Daily budget, I always start out with 20 bucks. Is a good budget to start out with. I'm going to do a single video. And for the retargeting function to actually work, you need to upload your video so it is so it's on Facebook's native backend. That way they can, track all the views and everything, and that's how you can retarget your audience, is by having the video actually on the native backend. While that loads, let me show you guys the video. Hey, what's up? What's up, guys? It's Big Marv here, and guess what? I bought that store. So I just want to show you guys some of the things we have to offer. If you've seen my videos before, you know I do online marketing and tutorials for other businesses to help people get more customers straight to their door. So I spun up this electronic store, and I'm going to be building some marketing packages and showing you guys how to do it. But in the meantime, why don't you guys enjoy my social experiment and go get yourself some electronics for a good price. Check it out. Here's the store, Electrofonix.com. And we got cases, cables, chargers, power banks, headphones, whatever you need for your electronics, we got it. And if we don't got it, Big Marv can order it for you. So just shoot me a comment, shoot me a message, or just visit the store, Electrofonix.com. And actually, if you click the link below, I'll even give you 30% off if you sign up to my newsletter. I'm be sending out emails to let you know every time we drop new products and stuff just for you guys. This is Big Marv. Thank you guys for watching. One love. That's pretty much it. Short and sweet. Alright, and for thumbnail, always pick the craziest looking one. Hopefully if I'm making a funny face or something. Alright, and now here's the website URL. Alright. Alright, so here it is. So my headline is get 30% off on your electronics and accessories. That's going to be the headline that grabs them here. And then the text, which is the ad copy, is Electrofonix is now open. Hey guys, it's Big Marv. I opened this e-commerce store to show others how easy it is to build an online platform and market it. If you're seeing this, it's because I picked you. Click the link below and save 30% off on your next purchase. We carry all of your small electronic and accessory needs. If you don't see it on the site, Big Marv can order it for you. Subscribe to my newsletter where I'll be sending out weekly updates on fresh products and amazing deals. Click the button to shop now. One love, Big Marv. Fuck yeah, dude. Steve, I'll throw that thing on the store and send you the link. I have those listed with my distributor, so I could actually get those. Alright, shop now. Where are you at? Here we go, shop now. So that's the button here. And then the newsfeed link description, that's going to be the text underneath the headline here. Celebrate the opening of my new online store by signing up to our newsletter and getting 30% off your first purchase. Boom, 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 boom. And then the preview link is going to be promos.electrofonix.com, because if you set it up right in ClickFunnels, even if somebody goes to your subdomain, it should redirect to the main funnel page, which for me is this. Alright, cool. And the reason why is because you get a display link here, http://promos.electrofonix.com. Alright. Looks good to me, so I'm just going to go ahead and confirm. Dude, I'll email them and see what's up. Shit, the worst they can say is no, right? Alright, cool. So I'm going to turn that on as pending review. So tune in next week where I will take a look at that campaign and see how well it's performing. This is Big Marv. Thank you guys for watching. One love.